what is title of the second article, right? Back and forth. So now we completed our first article and we are going to discuss the second article of today's editorial, that is nothing but 25th August 2020. So what are you thinking will be this article? What is the content in this article? So we don't know what it is. So just we'll go briefly into the article and discuss what is there in this article. Okay. So without wasting our time, we'll go quicker and faster. We'll rush into the article, right? We are going to enjoy the article and read it. And I'm going to explain you each and every word. Back and forth. Pakistan must fulfill its FATF obligations by acting against terrorists. Pakistan must fulfill, it's having some obligations by FATF. It must fulfill it by acting against terrorists. Pakistan's move to tackle terrorism on its soil, particularly cross-border terrorism, have often been described as one step forward and one step back. When it comes to the border, supporter terror groups have enjoyed within the country. Thus, it would come as little surprise that within days of issuing a statutory regulatory order listing, we're going to discuss the brackets even, that included Dawood Ibrahim, the LET's Zaki Rahman Lakhvi, and about 85 other designated terrorists. Designated as nothing but appoint, nominate, depute, officially give a name or status. She has been designated to organize the meeting. Okay. Directing officials to implement the UNSC committee resolutions against them. Pakistan Foreign Affairs Ministry MFA did not accept that the listing was new. The listing had UNSC and Interpol information. Interpol, what is meant by Interpol? Interpol is nothing but international police. Okay. And where are we? Interpol information on at least 5 Pakistani passports and 3 Karachi addresses that belong to Dawood, the former underworld Don and the accused mastermind of Mumbai's 1993 blasts. However, the MFA says that the SRO did not imply an admission that he lives here. Employment implicit, indirect, or hinted suggest as a consequence or mean. For example, are you implying that I'm fat? It's a question mark, so you should read it like that, right? Not imply an admission that he lives there. Instead, it argues the move was a routine one as a part of Pakistan's international commitments. Accordingly, Pakistan is required to align its domestic terror listings with those issued by UNSC's ISIL and Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee under UNSC resolutions 1267 by 1989 by 2253. This far the domestic listing maintained under the country's Anti-Terrorism Act by the National Counter-Terrorism Authority NACTA had not included either Dawood or Lakhvi, who has tried briefly for the 26/11 attacks but was granted bail in 2014. In contrast, Let Chief Hafiz Saeed and Gem Chief Masood Azhar, who was designated by the UNSC in May 2019, have been added to the domestic NACTA list. And the next, the MFA also claims that the listening that included Dawood and Lakhvi had been issued earlier, a claim countered by Indian government sources who says this is a first. The confusion over the SRO and Pakistani's disclaimer give credence. Credence is nothing belief. Acceptance, belief, trust, confidence. For example, his bruises added credence to his statement that he had been beaten. Okay, where are we? Okay, where are we? We are in the last paragraph, right? Wait a minute. The MFA also claims the confusion over the SRO and Pakistan credence the belief that its government lacks seriousness of purpose when it comes to its action against all terrorists. If in fact the SRO had named these terrorists in past orders, then why has it failed to add them to its domestic listing if it has included Dawood's address and passports on its own SRO, directing officials to ensure everyone on the list does not have access to funding arms or travel? Then for the foreign ministry to say it's paying lip service to the FATF directives is a matter of concern. Finally, regardless of which list Pakistan places any of the terrorists named and when it did so, the question is what has Pakistan done to investigate, prosecute, and apprehend them? What is apprehend? Arrest. Catch someone for a crime. Understand. Comprehend. The police have finally apprehended the killer. In October, Pakistan is expected to face some of the questions at the FATF plenary session, which will decide if its actions merit a reprieve from the grey or increased monitoring list, or be downgraded to the black or high-risk jurisdiction list and face sanctions. Pakistan needs to show proof of its actions on the ground rather than going back and forth on the paperwork. Okay. Finally, we have done both articles. So I think every one of you understood both the articles, and I hope it's a little bit useful to you. I thank every one of you who are watching this video, and I give you a very big thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.